How to fix a PS5 controller that keeps disconnecting on PC. If you are using a wired connection, start by changing the USB-C cable or plugging it into a different USB port on your computer. For Bluetooth connections, go to Settings, then go Bluetooth and Devices, remove the DualSense wireless controller, then repair it by holding the Create and PS buttons until the light bar flashes blue, and reconnect from your PC's Bluetooth menu. Next, disable USB Selective Suspend Open Edit Power Plan. Then go Change Advanced Power Settings. Then go USB Settings. Then go USB Selective Suspend Setting and set it to Disable. Finally, turn off USB Power Saving Open Device Manager. Then go Universal Serial Bus Controllers. Then go USB Root Hub. Then go Properties. Then go Power Management and uncheck Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power.